Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a special focus on these beautiful WSIRUYI 2 live purple roses. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and color to your garden, stick around because this might just be the perfect fit for you. These purple roses from WSIRUYI are not just your average garden variety. They're known for their vibrant hue that adds a regal charm to any outdoor space. Imagine walking into your garden and being greeted by these stunning blooms. What makes these roses stand out? Well, first off, they come in a set of 2 healthy plants, each measuring between 5 to 7 inches tall. This makes them incredibly versatile for planting directly into your garden or even in decorative pots on your patio. Planting these beauties is a breeze. They're adaptable to various climates and soil types, which means whether you're in a hot, dry climate or a cooler, wetter one, these roses are up for the challenge. Now, let's talk growth. These roses are fast growers, reaching up to 10 inches tall in no time. And here's the best part, they're low maintenance. That means less pruning, less watering, and less fuss for you, making them ideal for both beginner and seasoned gardeners alike. But wait, there's more. These roses aren't just about looks. They also bear fruit in the form of rose hips. These can be harvested and used in various culinary delights or enjoyed as part of the natural beauty these plants bring. Whether you're enhancing your garden's aesthetics or looking to explore the culinary possibilities, these WSIRUYI 2 live purple roses are a fantastic addition to any outdoor space. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a beautiful, low-maintenance plant that adds both color and functionality to your garden, look no further than these WSIRUYI 2 live purple roses. They're easy to care for, adapt well to different environments, and bring a touch of elegance wherever they're planted. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!